What's up? This is Becca 7 and Gaurav had got me this Mototrendz ka Forkseal covers. I hope you can see this. And it's cost him around 800 bucks. And first we have to just clean off the oil seal covers inside that. See, you can बहुत ज़्यादा डस्टी रहता है, तो एकदम आराम से क्लीन कर लो अच्छे से. एंड यू कैन पुट लाइक दिस. अच्छे से क्लीन होना चाहिए. रहता है थोड़ा बहुत तो रह ही जाएगा, मगर ठीक है उतना तो. And let's see. It comes with this case like this. And these two pieces for the left and right side. And I think so it's easy to just let's try it. We have to push upper. It looks thoda bahut sexy, I mean to say. And just flip ties out. Side. And we have to cut this wire, and let's see. I'll shoot afterward, okay?